All right, folks, here we are on page 88, number 4, and we've got, a stem and leaf diagram. We got 11 caravans, and we got to make a stem and leaf diagram. Okay, so you can see the way these are written. You can see the obvious stems are going to be the first two digits, and so let's go ahead and do it. We know that we're going to have stems of 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Okay, so all I got to do now is pick out the different numbers that match up. I got 14, 3, that's the only 14. There's 3 with 15, so I got a 3 and a 4 and a 5, 4 16s, 2 17s, and 1 18. Count them all up, make sure you got 11, and make sure you write a key. Always put a key or any kind of graph that you make. This is going to be 14. Make sure you put dollars here because we're talking about money. It's got to tell people what's going on. All right. Now, number 2, the lower quartile, the number of pieces and prices for the caravan. Okay, lower quartile. Let's talk about the median first. The median is the middle piece of data, and we've got 11 of them, so that's going to be the 6th piece. All right. Now, the Q1 is the median of the lower half. Now, you got to make sure you're careful about this because the median isn't part of that. So I've got 11 pieces, 5 in the lower half, a median, and then 5 in the upper half. My Q1 is going to be the median of the bottom 5. So 5 times 0.5 is 2.5. I'm looking for the third piece of data. So that's going to be 15,400. 15,400. All right, that's my Q1. All right, that's part 2. Now for part 3, since we got 3 different caravans chosen at random and their prices noted, find the probability that 2 prices are more than the median and 1 is less than the lower quartile. Of course, in this case, we're assuming we're not putting them back. We're just pulling them out. All right, so anyway, we know that we've got 5 cars that are above the median, and we know there are 2 cars prices that are less than the lower quartile, Q1. All right, so let's go ahead and figure this out. I've got 5 out of 11 times 4 out of 10 times 2 out of 9. Now, the first 2 are above the median, and then the last one are the 2 cars that are below. All right. Now, this can happen more than one way. I could have picked the below first and then 2 of the above. So let's go ahead and label these. This one was below, this one's above, this one's above. Okay, now how else could this have happened? Well, we could have picked an above and then a below and then pick another above. All right. Now, the cool thing about this is that numerators are all the same, they're just in different order. So when I multiply them, I'm going to get 40 for the numerator in each one of these situations and 990 for the denominator. So really, at the end of the day, what we're talking about is 40 over 990 times 3. And if I do that, what I'll end up with is 4 over 33, or 0.121 three significant figures. All right, thanks for watching. Hope that helps.